German 4:28.07, the time to beat. He won Section 6. Section 7 of 8 on the track now.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, right with them.
Let's go, Ethan. Stay up there.
Let's go, let's go, Andrew. Right there, let's go.
Thank you, Kristen. Awesome. Fun to watch the finish. We were really pushing hard. Yeah, we were working hard. Good night.
Let's go, baby. Keep fighting. Go, right now.
Go, Ethan. You got to attack.
Fight, let's go. Make it hurt, baby.
Dallas Reeves with the narrow lead at the 800-meter mark here in Section 7. Still a lot of people behind. A little contact there as the pace changes. Lead shuffling going on.
All right, Ethan, right there.
Seamus O'Driscoll now with the narrow lead over Ethan Rich as they come to the bell lap. 1 to go. Rich went by on the outside. Missed who it was who went by on the inside. I'll pick that up in a minute. Ethan Rich into the lead. O'Driscoll rallying now.
Come on, Ethan.
Rich's shoulder as they come to the final straightaway. Seamus O'Driscoll trying to pull away.